I'm Pat with Eternity Homes. One thing we do take seriously is all of our wood floors. Let me take you through the process.
Here a wood floor that we buy in-house, and it's a 5-layer engineered wood floor, tongue and groove on all 4 sides. And it comes pre-finished from the enamel from the factory, so it has a nice ripple effect and a distressed look. So the beauty of this floor is over time for application, it doesn't show wear and tear because it's not a very smooth or very matte surface. It has a little texture to it. So therefore, the application, if somebody were to drop something on the floor, it's not glaringly apparent, is one of the reasons that we use this floor. Because people use the floor and we want to be able to hide small dings. And we also have a stain gun that we give with our buyers for anything that might happen with a small damage or drop a cell phone type thing.
All right, here's one of the areas where Steve Sharkey comes in, one of my best friends, and he sands the floor and makes everything as perfect and plumb. He checks it with a straight edge. And here you can see we found an area that wasn't perfect. So Steve will apply a fast drying self-leveler in this area, and then we'll span it over the top with the vapor barrier and the wood floor, and we cleat it to the LP sturdy floor. But the reason we do this is we just don't want to have any area that the subfloor isn't completely in contact and level and plumb. So we put that in there, and it's an easy process. Do you have to do it? Maybe not, but this is something that we go above and beyond with Steve. And it gives us a sense of comfort to give this to the buyer that there'll be no harm or nothing with the wood floor and potentially no squeaks in the future.
So you can see how we install our Durarock in thin set before we fasten it to the floor, which gives it much better support because it's basically glued to the floor.
Now we can see some stages here from our sanded floor over here that we've shown you to how we apply our vapor barrier to protect the wood floor from any moisture that would come from below. And then we have our wood floor that's installed with our cleat system, which is better than a staple system. The cleat is top notch. And then we wrap all of our floors with this ram board over the top to protect the wood floors from as cabinets are installed, as the trim is installed, how the tile in the fireplace is installed, how the lights are installed, and all the registers are installed to protect this floor. So this product stays in here. The cleaners take it out, put it in the dumpster when the house is completely done. And then we walk on the wood floors and the carpet only when the house is completely done. So here I have a sample of the Emmerich floor truss. We buy direct from Emmerich, which is a savings to our buyer. So there's no lumberyard middleman markup. So that is one of the beautiful things about Eternity Homes is we buy direct. Now the beauty of the floor truss is all your mechanicals and all of your plumbing, HVAC, and electrical is run through the webbing. So you'll notice through my houses, we don't have soffits in the basement. We don't have soffits on the main level because all of the intangibles is run through the open webbing, which is very convenient for you because now you have clean ceilings, clean lines on all your floors. Then you'll see that we use an LP TopNotch wood floor, and it's a premium wood floor over the OSB. And you can see that it's tongue and grooved, and then we sand the edges. But each sheet weighs about 14 pounds more than an OSB tongue and groove wood floor. So it's applied on our floor trusses, which are 19.2 on center. Code-wise, we can go up to 2 feet. We chose to go 19.2, so there's no more than 16 inches in between trusses for the deflection for the subfloor. So we put a wood floor or tile on that. There's very little room for movement, which means our tile doesn't crack or wood floor doesn't squeak. So this wood floor is glued down, screwed 8 inches in the field and 4 inches on the seams. It's literally, if you have to take it up, you destroy the sheet. It's just glued and nailed and screwed so much that it can't come back up in one piece. So then we take, this flooring that we have here, the LP sturdy floor, and put it on all of our main levels where there's wood floor. In the rest of the house, because it's tile, and the tile sheets, it's down on a cement and it's actually thin setted in. We can get away with using just the OSB on the other floors with carpet and tile, but when there's wood floor, we've upgraded our product to this. So the beauty of all of this product is it just stands the test of time. And then we come in with this straight edge here that we have, and we check all of our floors for level and plumb, so we don't have any whoop-de-woos in the floor, so it's nice and level. And then of course we've seen the vapor barrier, how it's installed, and the wood floor, how it's installed and then covered up. During your home search process, I would love the opportunity to sit down with you on a Zoom or in person and go through all of the reasons of why Eternity Homes should be one of the builders that you consider through the process of just the difference of how we build homes, which is above the industry standards and quite frankly, above all those standards in the top 10 builders.